Hi guys, and for the new year, my name is Stephanie, and for the others, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I was going to do my brows off camera, but why not doing it with you? So I really want to show you how I do my brows lately, with which product and everything. But before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, to put the thumbs up if you like this type of video, and to follow me on my social media. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So when I do my brows for summertime or for winter time, it's a little bit different because in summertime my face is a little bit more oily than winter time, so I need to set my brows a little bit more to be sure that everything's gonna be on my face for all day long. And for winter time it's just a little bit more simple because my face is a little bit more on the drier side. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do my brows right now. So right now it's not super hot, it's in between. So I'm gonna use only 3 products. Yeah, only. I always do my brows first when I do my makeup, just because I think, at least for me, my brows gonna stay a little bit more all day long if I do my brows on my bare skin and not on foundation. Because if foundation gonna break on your face, the pencil just gonna go with the foundation in the nowhere's lands. So I love to do my brows first on my bare skin. So this is my brows before I do them. So I'm gonna show you which product that I use. So for my pencil, I love the Benefit brow pencil. Mine is in the shade number 4. And if you want a drugstore version, I love the L'Oreal brow pencil too. I think I take in dark brunette, something like this. I prefer the L'Oreal one versus the NYX pencil. In my opinion, I think the L'Oreal is better. So if you want a good drugstore version, pick the L'Oreal pencil. So yeah, I love this Benefit pencil. They stay all day long on my brows. It's a very good pencil. I know it's pricey, but I love it. A brow gel. So this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set in the shade dark brunette. So I need to set my brow because, like you see, they are like growing downward and I don't like this. So I just put them a little bit more up, not like a fluffy kind of brow, because it doesn't suit me at all in my opinion. So yeah, I just brush them to not be super down on my face. I set this with some powder. So this is Inspire powder, I think. So you can use eyeshadow, you can use brow powder, so just take what you have right now at your house. Just only if you use eyeshadow, just use a matte eyeshadow to be sure that you're not gonna have glitter on your brows. So this is the brow powder and I'm taking like the more darker shade. So I'm gonna zoom you in and I will filling my brows with you. For today, I'm gonna use my micro brow pencil. No, Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Like I said, this is in the shade 4. I just brush my hair up first. And this is my worst brows. This is my worst brows. So I'm gonna show you what I do. So I hate this part right here because I don't know, I hate it. So I just draw a new line under my brows because I prefer the brow who look straight under than what I had right now. I had my brows done like 10-15 years ago and this was what it was back then. But I hate this So I just draw a line under my brows. And I just extend a little bit my brows to be sure that like you already see this kind of stuff. So your brow needs to be starting right there. Just it's looked like a line with your nose, your inner corner, eyes, and your brows. So my brows are a little bit more on the center, but I'm fine with it. The arch need to be right there, and the end of the brows need to be right there. You see? So the nose, the end of the eyes. So you draw a line, and yeah. So when I finish to draw my line, I'm go a little bit more light into my brows because I don't want a blocky brows, but I want the same structured in the upper brows, but not everywhere. Like I start my line a little bit like right here, and I draw a line and what I love when I do my brow first, it's I can just remove my line if it's a little bit too up on my face. I just can rub the line like this. So when you do your brows, you want the end of your brows a little bit more darker than the beginning of your brows. So always draw first the end of the brows, go a little bit like to the in front, and just brush a lot the beginning of the brows. And I go very, very, very light in the beginning. And I just follow the natural air. So in the beginning, the air a little bit more up. So I draw my line a little bit more up. And when I do my brows first, I can be so messy with everything and just clean them with concealer or with my pencil, highlight pencil. So this will be my quick and easy brow. So I will add some gel. But if I want a very sturdy brow, like they're gonna stay there all day long, I'm gonna add a little bit of powder, not too much, just to set the cream. It's like when you do your eyes or your base, you put some cream, like a bronzer cream, and you're gonna set them with some powder. So it's the same thing with the brows. And just go very, very, very light and on my brows. I don't want to add more color in it. I just want my brows to be able to stay there all day long. So, and now I'm gonna add the gel. So when you put gel, I love to just rub a lot of the product to be sure that it's not gonna put a lot on my brows. And I always start with the end of the brow, so that way if I had a lot of product, it's not gonna look like blotchy in front of the brows. What would be the difference? This one and this one. So when I prefer a more messy kind of look, I just leave my brows like this. But if I want something super structured, I just go under and just draw. Benefit have one pencil like this. And I love with the excess on my brush, go just right there, not all around my brows, just at the end to be sure that everything looks clean, sharp, good. So that's it. That's pretty much how I do my brows. I know that I have bigger brows, so it's more easy to do that if you had like a super tiny brow, but this is what I do. for my brows to be sure that they're gonna stay there all day long. So yeah, I hope you like this super quick tutorial, brow tutorial, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.